Hello and welcome to the Roxburghe Group Vehicle Showcase. Today we're showcasing this Toyota CHR design in black. It's on a 2019 plate, this one. Hybrid electric, automatic, and you're looking at around about 74.3 miles to the gallon. Amazing on fuel this. As you can see, it's got alloy wheels, it's 5-door, really nice jet black colour, fantastic diamond cut alloy wheels as well. Car has got parking sensors. Got a fantastic generous sized boot in these cars, lots and lots of space there, and those rear seats do fold for additional room. Acres of room in the back, really nice full leather interior as well, really comfortable seats, plenty of headroom as well for your rear passengers. You've got these cup holders in the door handles there. It is electric windows, front and rear. Let's move into the front, acres of space, really nice fully adjustable comfortable leather seating there. Really well designed these. Obviously you've got Toyota's build quality and reliability. They are very good cars, Toyotas. You've got indicators there on the wing mirrors. Multifunction steering wheel there, and this car has done 37,587 miles. Let's jump inside, take a closer look. It is keyless ignition, so it's now started. It's on the electric motor at the moment. The engine one may kick in to put some charge in the battery in a second. As you can see, you've got an armrest which lifts up to reveal some storage and a 12-volt port. Turn those fans down a little. You've also got a cup holder there, parking brake, various other options and settings, your automatic gearbox, cup holder there as well, more storage, and a USB just at the back there. You've got your climate control, air conditioning, you've got heated seats, great to see that. Moving up, you've got your digital display which has got built-in satellite navigation. You've also got obviously DAB radio there. Connectivity for your mobile phone via Bluetooth, obviously to make hands-free calls, various other settings and options there. Connectivity, as you can see, really nice, quick and easy to use touchscreen. Pop the car into reverse, you'll see there you've got your reverse camera as well as your parking sensors as well, which will work in conjunction with that. So really nice, this acres of space, only done 37,587 miles, so relatively low mileage, great on fuel. Great family vehicles as well, these. So if you are interested in this vehicle or any of our vehicles here at Roxburghe, you can always visit our website or just give us a call today. Thank you.